Hello everyone, the Laundry Manager application is outlined here in a nutshell. Using PromptTech Laundry Manager can easily streamline company operations and improve administrative and control capabilities. Manually managing laundry can cause delays, but using this user-friendly and flexible Laundry Manager application you can improve productivity and efficiency. When it comes to financial reporting for additional account-related customization, we have Tally integration option. Let's get started. When you open the Laundry Manager application, the very first thing that you see is a login page. There you can see a customer support barcode at the bottom left corner. Also, in the event of a database failure, the server can be restarted with the Restart Server option beside the barcode. Subscription details and company details can also be found here. The right side of the page lets you enter the username and password to log in. You will be directed to the dashboard once you have successfully entered your user ID and password. Now let's get to know about the dashboard and what is included in it. Dashboard. In this section, you will find information about the collection, customers, sales, close, and services. You will also find information about the total number of services and customers. Additionally, you can view year-by-year data on the sales chart. On the side menu, you'll see links to the dashboard, POS, homepage, delivery, search bill, collection, theme, and log out. Next, we are talking about the main menu and the master's entry.